welcome back to MJ Budgets. Today, you guys, look what I did. Today is a good day. I'm so excited because I have decided to purchase Baddies and Budget's Intentionally Rich Planner. And this is my unboxing of my planner. I want to see how this looks today because I was really struggling on what I want to use for 2025. But I think that I might use the Baddies and Budget system. It really is awesome that I got this binder for I think it was $9.95. Like, she had a sale out of this world, y'all, like at Black Friday. And so I decided, I think because I always get her messages and I was like, oh my gosh, I have always wanted her product. So I have finally did it. So I'm going to unbox today, you guys. I'm so excited, but welcome to MJ Budgets. Let's go ahead and get this thing cut open here. I am super excited about this, y'all, because I follow her. She is one of the ones that I have followed for over a year now. I love her story and her journey of how she has became debt free, and I'm telling you, it's amazing to watch her. So y'all, it says, this is your year. Move with intentionality and get rich. I love this. Look at this, y'all. She's a pen. I'm sure these pens are good writing pens. Oh, this is like a marker. Oh, like a dry erase. Oh, a permanent marker. Okay. Okay. And I guess this is the pen. Let's see. Cute pen. How cute. Oh my goodness, y'all. That is super, super, super cute. Oh yeah, and it writes good. It writes good. Baddies and Budgets. Y'all go over to her channel. She is amazing. And here's a card. And it says, thank you. Be intentional. Do the work. Stay consistent. Rich is gonna look so good on you. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, and so here we have the month to go on the planner. And these are like some little tiny bill trackers. Oh, how cute. Look at that. It is so cute. It's a tiny tracker. It is cute. It seemed like it can fit in your A7 binder or A7. Yeah, that is so cute. And you got one for subscriptions, your debt list, and your bills. That is so cute. Okay. And now, okay, you get two covers with it as well. And this is the first cover. Y'all, this is so exciting. I've always wanted her product. So you can switch the covers out. How awesome is that? This is super cute. And you not only get one, you get two. What? Oh my gosh. Y'all, I'm telling you, for the price of this here, like, I did want to get her Advent box, but next year, if I plan on it, I might plan to purchase the Advent box. It's like 12 days of Christmas or 12 days to unbox a box every day, and there's a surprise in each one. Like, I saw one YouTuber, she put hers on YouTube, and I'm like, oh my God, you get all of this for that price? Like, hands down, honey, you did your thing on these. This is amazing. I have two covers, and then there's a cover already on the planner. Oh my God, y'all, look how thick it is. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this, will you? That's 12 months. That is 12 months for $10, y'all. How can you beat this here? Like, look at this. Let's get into this right here, honey. because yes, this is my planner for 2025, even though I said that I was going to do something different. But guess what? I'm going to do something different again. Because I think I want to do this one. Yes. Okay, so you have a meal planner in here. And then let's see. You have who it belongs to, and she gives you some instructions on how to do your monthly, which I'm gonna look at this, y'all, which even though I do know how to do it, I'm still gonna go over it myself in my own little time. You have your yearly goals for the whole year, and you have yearly habits, a monthly streak. Oh gosh, this is what I need. Like if you want like to do a no spin, you can do it over here, a monthly streak. Oh, y'all, this is so good. Like, this is really good. Oh, you have a sinking funds tracker where you can track all of your sinking funds. It's kind of like what you, yes, oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. And I love the size of it. It's just like just right. Even though I'm a big handwriter, I still can crunch it down a little bit. So on your yearly bill tracker, you have monthly, quarterly, and yearly. How you write all your bills down for that year and you'll track them. So here's June through July, January through June, and then July through December, I think it is. Or yes. Oh, okay. So it's January, February, March, April, May, June. Oh, okay. For each bill, you have like the monthly, and then you have each 12 months. Okay, that's cool. I like that. And you have your yearly subscriptions, and then you'll mark off when you pay them. That is cool. And you have your debt list, your yearly debt list, and your debt payment trackers, which is nice. That is really, really nice. And then I guess you start your month. And then what I'm going to do here is put the stickers on each month. And I'll do that later on. So let's get into January. You have your January monthly calendar, which is super cute. And then you have your monthly budget. Okay, so it's like 2 pages. So you have your monthly budget. This is the whole month here. Like it's like 2 pages. So then you have your income, your variables, your fixed, your subscriptions, your debt, your sink. You have 2 rows of sinking funds, your extra savings, and then this is how you do your zero-based budget over here. I love that. I love the 2 different pages. She didn't scrunch it in. Like this is really, really nice. So I will start like with the month of January. Okay, and then you have your paycheck breakdown. It's just almost like the monthly, which is really good. And then once you get paid, you'll put the same thing as your monthly, but you'll do the zero-based budget for your, and you have, I think 4 paychecks. Yes, you have a couple of paychecks in there. Oh, I love the weekly check-in. Oh gosh, I've always wanted to do the weekly check-in. This is really good. Yes, this is the binder that I will be using. I wished I had like a cover or a box something I can keep it in, because I like to carry mine with me and it's very compact. So I really, really love this. So you have your weekly check-in for week 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If you have a 5th week getting paid. And then here's your habit tracker. You have a 7-day streak. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And then you have your expense trackers. I got to have my expense trackers, y'all. So somewhere in here, I'm going to find me a way to do my no spin. I think that I might use it. I think it was in the beginning that I might use that for my no spin. So you have your expense trackers. And then you have your monthly results overview. I really like that. You have your monthly overview for your sinking funds, the beginning. Okay, I love this. I love that. I need that. Yes. This is going to help me to keep up each month. And then at the end of the year, you do your review. You can just grab these and like do your overview. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Like, I love this. And then you have your saving and investments for January, and you have your debt. Oh, you even have your credit score tracker. This girl, I mean, she thought this out. Like, this is the binder that I really truly needed. Like, sister, you did your thing. You did your thing. There's nothing that needs to be added to this. Like, and then you have all your months. So February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So this is for a whole year. And of course, let me see if there's any extra in the back. So this is December. Oh, you got your magic month paycheck. Oh, okay. Okay, so this is wait a minute. Yeah, this is December. But at the end, at the back, say I'm gonna get well, I get paid bi-weekly, so I won't have, like, my magic month will be my third paycheck. So some people have 5 paychecks in a month. So she put in at the back some extra paycheck breakdown for your extra week. If you have that fifth week, it's got week 5 on there. Like, that is super, super, super cute. And so she has a few of those. Oh, she put in the savings challenges. Oh my gosh, I love this. She put in the savings challenge for the week, 52-week savings challenge. And then she put the 26-week saving challenge for if you get paid, if you only have 26 checks out of a year, that's bi-weekly. That's cool. And it's $351. I think I can do that. I think I might do this one for sure. And it may go towards my self-care. Yes. The no spin. Okay, this is what I wanted. This is what I wanted, the 30-day no spin. Because starting January, this will be my no spin tracker. I wished it was laminated so I can, like, wipe it off and redo it. Yes, this is so nice. I love this. Man, I love this. Okay, and then she have 2 no spins. Oh, okay. I want 3, but I can do 3. So we have 2 no spins. Okay. And then she has in the back the glossary of everything and the name. If you don't understand, like, what a zero-based budget is, you don't understand what a sinking fund is, she breaks it down and tell you what it is, y'all. This is a really good binder. I mean, a really good planner, a budget planner for 2025 for me. I'm loving this. Yes, super excited about this, y'all. This is going to be my 2025 budget planner. The Intentionally Rich Planner from Baddies and Budgets. Girl, you did your thing. You're amazing. Keep on doing what you're doing because you doing it, honey. You are doing it. And I'm so grateful for you. Thank you for all the extra gadgets that you gave me, the covers. Like, I'm super, super, super excited about this. Like, super excited. Y'all just don't even know. Like, I am ready to continue this journey for the next year, and we're going to do something a little different to change it up, to make it more even funner to me. So yes, everything else for me is staying the same as far as my sinking fund goes, and I do have some trackers that I am going to be keeping up with my sinking funds. Even though I do have some in here, I'm going to keep up with them in another planner as well. But this will be my main planner for 2025. So you know what, coming up probably within the next week or 2, we are going to go ahead and get January started in my Intentionally Rich planner. So that's all I have for this video, y'all. So I am super excited. If y'all want Baddies and Budgets products, go over to her YouTube channel. She is Baddies and Budgets, and I have been watching her for the past year, and I'm super excited about watching it, and I'm so grateful that I have learned along the way. She is very educational and very, you know, she knows her stuff. Like she's good. I've watched her videos I went back to watch the beginning of her videos from where she was just stuffing a little bit until, y'all, this woman is probably making 6 to 7 figures. Is that how you say it? 6 figures or 7 figures? I think the woman is a billionaire. But anyway, she's doing wonderful. So anyway, that's all that I have for today, y'all. I just wanted to come in and do this unboxing of my new 2025 Intentionally Rich planter. So y'all go and have a blessed night. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. And we will see you in the next one. Thank you. Be blessed.